soon as I tap the truck, I drop the trailer and start it back. This bus. So I check some salt, but at least I want my yard. When I reach at the yard, the bus. So still I give thanks. Yard change here, I'm gonna have to call my road side. Alright, time to change the AC compressor on the bus. So first time I do this, so let me see how it go. Still bus up on there, so we'll give it a shot and see what going on. Alright, my people, pretty much just one more bolt to move, and we're supposed to can take it out and change it. Nice and well. Alright, my people, you done here now. All this part of it, put on the belt. You have to get it over the fan and do all of that, and you have to do the tension and make sure say everything line up properly. So this, you see the setup. So you see this the part where they cut them in the belt go up on them side, and then the flat part them don't go up on the other part. So just as I say, I have to just know a little bit of mechanical, a little technical sense.